like, it's like my ADHD will like cause me to like not be able to do things sometimes. Like, I'll think of all these ideas and then I can't like put it into fruition. Like, I can't like start moving and doing it. I love a nice open road in New York. Look at this. Isn't it just gorgeous? It's so funny seeing work like this. I'm the first person here setting up the bar. Ooh. This is my breakfast. I can't wait to bite it. It looked kind of crazy because it was flipped over, but... Guys, so I'm done with the work, and usually I would have to go to my other job at 6, but... Fuck, something hit me in the face. The wind is vicious right now. Literally. Usually I would have to go to my other job, but I actually got cut today. Long story, but I'm not working at my other job, so I'm about to go do a little bit of thrifting since I'm out. Got me a sangria from work. I made this. This is my first time making sangria. First of all, very easy, super customizable, really good, really strong. I used Cabernet, sweetener, orange juice, pineapple juice, cut up fruits, put it inside, triple sec, lemon. Really bomb. I just love this part of the city. So I've always wanted to stop at this thrift store. It's called Crossroads Training Co. Dead rat is kind of crazy. Look at the size of that shit. God. This is the prices that I'm talking about, not that Williamsburg shit. So I'm at that point on the train where it's clear, child, the wrong point on here. I love when this happens. Like, I just want to take opportunity to like make a TikTok video or some shit. The way my neighbor got me in here rocking, child. She go down, 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 down. Let me show y'all where the DJ at. There he is. Hey. But inside of you. Mallory's house. This is a really nice ass fucking apartment. I had to ask her how much she paid for rent because this shit is too fucking nice. Look at her dog. Hi, look at you. You're so cute. Look at you. You're so cutie. Hi, baby. So it's my friend Mallory's birthday, and I came to her house for her party, and they're doing karaoke upstairs, but I came into the apartment to use the bathroom, but someone's in the bathroom right now, so just chilling.
Then all I've got to say, got
work, and I couldn't get a bagel today because we're not trying to be a big bag. So I got egg white bites because, you know, we trying to keep this protein up. Egg white bites and a regular old oat milk latte. So that's what we're having today. Now I gotta go to this fucking job and hope these people don't get on my fucking nerves. But we're gonna stay positive because when you're positive, you get better results. Ding. So I just smoked and I'm feeling the creative juices flowing. Smoking really just helps me be more creative. Anyways, I decided that I know I have to go to the gym today. We know it's Monday. We have to go to the gym on Monday, duh. Pretty much I just wanted to say I'm about to put myself on a strict schedule. I need to be creating my outfits as soon as I get out of the shower. So at least by 2, creative intake needs to begin. Planning. This is what happens. I think, is it clicking for me? Is this content thing finally clicking for me? I have to plan. I don't know. Okay, I'm getting off here. I'm gonna start rambling. Okay, so this is the mess that I've combobulated up. I'm doing a jorts styling video today. It's the next day, and so I'm about to take my braids out. So I cut them into a bob, but I'm gonna like wash and condition my hair before I go to the gym because, okay, so yesterday I filmed mad content. I filmed, edited, and uploaded on Instagram and TikTok a little fashion video. So I said today I'm gonna chill, but like usually I can like sleep the whole day. Like I'll just keep sleeping, but ever since, I don't know if it's a combination of my vitamins, going to the gym, I don't know, I just have a renewed energy. So honestly, I've been up since I woke up. I haven't even drank coffee. It's insane. I made this thing called baked oats. It was okay. I need to tweak the recipe before I start trying to tell people it's good and everything. It's just a little update. I'm about to go to the gym because I got so much energy. So I just want to show you guys what I'm eating. It's this thing called egg roll in a bowl. And I just added, so pretty much it's ground turkey. I did a bag and a half of cabbage, some garlic, some ginger, some onion, and then like a bunch of like Asian type sauces, soy sauce and oyster sauce and stuff like that. And then I have these little wonton crisper salad topper things. So fucking good with some avocado and some cucumber. When I tell you this has been a really good meal that like I didn't get tired of. I ate the whole thing. And plus a lot of protein. Major icon. Why? Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you. Gym, but I gotta go to 5 Below first. So that's what I'm doing right now. So we're finally done with the gym, and I just want to show you guys what I got from 5 Below. I was literally only supposed to go in there for a charger, but I got a couple of other things because, you know, it's 5 Below. And then I went to this little like $1, $2, $3 store where it's like the longest in the store, the cheapest stuff gets. So today everything was $3. Yay, that says it has electrolytes and muscle recovery because I'm always starving for electrolytes. I can just tell I'm just thirsty. So I got this, $3, can't beat it. Got this little notebook. This was $5, I guess. It was at 5 Below. $5, charger. I got 2 liquid IVs. These were $1.99. Then I got some energy drinks for the rest of the week for my next 2 workouts. But I have some pre-workout coming in Amazon. I found this little hook thing. I'm a hook person. I always love hooks just for random stuff. So yeah. I think I'm going to use this for my towel and my robe in my room. So this is the food. We got shrimp, cucumber, tomato, and onion salad, and cauliflower rice. Hopefully it tastes good because I just haven't been liking vegetables lately, which is very unlikely. Guys, so we're back to the curls. I'm so happy my hair looks healthy. I was a little scared, child, because, you know, braids be making my hair fall out half the time. I be looking A little rough sometimes after braids, but we came back. It's not damaged. I'm happy. I have a lot of stuff to do today. So I kind of want to hit lower body at the gym today if I have the energy. I also need to go to Dollar Tree, edit. I want to film something because I am going out tonight. That's the big event of the night, is I'm going out tonight for my friend's surprise birthday party. And yeah, obviously I want to look good and we gonna turn up. So I got my greens powder when I walked in. I really hope this works good. I feel like this is good for people that don't like to eat vegetables, but I like vegetables, but it's just hard for me to keep vegetables good in the fridge. And I just be feeling like I need to eat greens with all this protein. Like when you're trying to eat protein, I don't know, I just feel like it's changed. I'm seeking more fiber. Let me show you guys what I got. So this is the Dollar Tree haul. And I went to Dollar Tree at 12. It's around 12 right now. Usually I go to Dollar Tree about 6 and it's completely ransacked and there's nothing in it. So to my surprise, going early is really nice because they had all types of shit. So I got 2 things of hand soap, the big ones that actually last. And this, I never seen this smell, Moroccan Rose. It smells really good. Usually they only have like the honey one left. Boom. Oh my God. And then the main thing I went in there for was makeup wipes. And they actually had the sensitive skin ones. Come on now. I got 2 packs of those. And it's $1.25. And then I got some other things. My bitch is, you know, I'm in my 30s now. So, gotta get the skincare together. So I'm trying this Lift and Firm eye cream. Boom. And this hyaluronic acid. I'm about to run out my hyaluronic acid. So I'm like, maybe I'll try this and hold off a little longer. That's the haul. Okay, so this is breakfast. Excuse me. White sweet potato with a little chili powder and paprika. Fried egg on top. This is just 1 egg. I added egg whites. I fried in a little butter and I put like half a slice of monster cheese. And this is breakfast. I'm gonna go to the gym after this. So I needed something carbolicious to get me energized. I actually ended up getting a salad from Chipotle. I didn't have like food already cooked, so I was like, I want to just come home immediately because I was starving after the gym. I did like a glue day. I don't understand how I have so much energy, y'all. Like I said, I don't know if it's the supplements that I'm taking that's finally working, because I started taking 1 a day multivitamins as soon as I got back from vacation. And so that was like over, I've probably been taking them for like 2, maybe 3 weeks. And I don't know if it's those that are finally kicking in or the fact that I'm like working out. I don't know. It's like my brain clicked over into like the back creative organized side of me. Not really organized. I'm not organized, but I think I have ADHD, y'all. Like, and I saw some shit, and I have like, it's like my ADHD will like cause me to like not be able to do things sometimes. Like I'll think of all these ideas and then I can't like put it into fruition. Like I can't like start moving and doing it. But like recently it's like that thing clicked over where it's like I just can see everything like content again. And like, but speaking of ADHD, I was watching one of my favorite pods yesterday, and the girl was like talking about she have signs of ADHD, and timing is a thing for me where like if I'm late or if people are late, it can like ruin my whole day. Like time can really fuck with me. Like I already done looked like I know I gotta leave the house by 8 p.m. It's like 7 something right now. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 7:35 p.m.
7:35. That's why I'm smoking. I got my makeup on, my outfit on. Let me show you my outfit. I think I might make me up like one little cocktail before I leave the house so I'm not ODing. When I get to the spot, I'm gonna try not to drink too much. Y'all know I drink a lot. Not like drink till I can't do what I do, but I be getting a little fucked up, you know. Okay, but here's the fits. This shirt is probably from Shein, child. I don't fucking know. I know it used to have sleeves. I got this bracelet from Rainbow. Hands are always thrifted. I decided to pull my hair back because it just wasn't looking cute the other way. I just got a clip so it can stay stretched, but this is how the hair is gonna be looking. I got my real hair back and it's not damaged. I'm so happy. Like, I'll talk to you guys later. I made my favorite little drink that I like to make with this white Hennessy that I got when I was in Puerto Rico. If you guys want to see the Puerto Rico vlog, let me know. I feel like nobody be watching my vlogs anyway, so it really don't matter. I had to do some fresh squeezed lemons. It's like a Henny white peach drink. I really love it. Boom and boom. I usually do simple, but I just use maple syrup, so let's see how it tastes. The drink is literally so delicious. The maple syrup made it taste way better. Like I could see like this being good with like honey syrup too. Really fucking good. So that was my Amazon package. The other part of it, because I got greens powder and then I also got some electrolyte packets. Because I'm always like super thirsty. I need to stop spending money on electrolytes. Because they be anywhere from like $3 if I get them on sale at the regular grocery store to like $5, $6. So I need to stop buying those. So I just got my electrolyte sticks and some pre-workout so I can stop buying Celsius. We're trying to cut down on spending. I'm out in these streets, y'all. So I played my first drink for the night. This bar is so fucking cute. The drinks suck. I got me a mezcal margarita to start the night, and I'm trying to figure out what the hell I'm gonna turn to because the drinks suck. However, and they're expensive as shit. However, the ambiance is great. The bar is adorable.
Brag on the photo, like, that's her point is there.
Oh, I was customer service.
I'm at the next spot now. The lighting's better. I feel like my shoulders, look how big my shoulders are. Why? I don't have that big of a shoulder. I don't like that. Gotta feature Mike's arms and bag. He gonna be missing them bicep and tricep days.